Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm making a circle inclined eye-dyed shirt. My shirt was washed and dried. I soaked it in a soda ash solution for at least 20 to 30 minutes. I wrung it out in my Panda spin dryer and so it's just barely damp. I also have it turned inside out. I'm going to start out by centering this shirt. To do that, I'm going to fold my shirt in half. Using a washable marker, I'm going to make a mark on the center line of my shirt, down at the bottom on the front of the shirt and the back of the shirt, and at the top on the front of the shirt and the back of the shirt. Then I'm going to tuck one sleeve inside of the other and line the seams up really well. Grabbing the two marks that I made on the back of the shirt, I'm going to lift my shirt up off the table, give it a little shake, lay it back down, grab the two marks from the front of the shirt, and line those up too. So now my shirt is centered. I have the front of my shirt folded in half, and it's laying on the back of my shirt, which is also folded in half. What this will do is this will give me symmetry. Both sides of the front of my shirt and both sides of the back of my shirt are going to look more symmetrical. If you didn't quite catch this whole process, I have a video of how to center a shirt on my YouTube channel. I'm going to fold my shirt in half to find where the middle of my shirt is. Using a washable marker, I'm going to make a mark where the middle of the shirt is, and I'm also going to make a mark at the top where the neckline is on the front side. So I'm going to find a spot midway between those two, and that's where I'm going to draw my circle on. Using my washable marker and a piece of kite string, I'm going to draw half of a circle onto the shirt. I'm going to fan fold this line and tie it up with some sinew. I'd like there to be a little bit more definition around the circle. That's why I'm using sinew instead of just kite string. I'm also going to add another sinew line around the outside of this one, just as a little extra design element. Now I'm going to fan fold the rest of my shirt and tie it up with some kite string. I'm using kite string for this area because I just want to hold my folds in place. To begin, I've laid my shirt on top of a rack and I'm applying liquid dye to the circle portion. I'm adding lapis from Pro Chemical and Dyes. Now I'm going to incline the rest of the shirt to apply the powdered dye. I have a plastic tub that I put a piece of vinyl guttering down inside, and I've placed my shirt inside the vinyl guttering. My shirt is about at a 45-degree incline. I'm beginning at the top with turquoise from Grateful Dyes, and about halfway down my shirt, I'm going to add another line of the turquoise, followed by Midnight Blue from Grateful Dyes, Stock Red from Grateful Dyes, here again I'm going to add a line of that down at the bottom, Blue MX2G from Custom Colors, and I don't have any space down at the bottom to add that color, so the bottom is just going to end with the stock red. Now I'm going to add a layer of soda ash on my shirt. I do this so that I make sure I have plenty of soda ash in my shirt even after all the ice melts and runs throughout. And now I'm going to load the ice on. I'm even going to put the ice up at the top where I've put my liquid dye. I don't mind if it dilutes the liquid dye a little bit, but I want to make sure I get plenty of dye movement throughout my shirt. With an incline dye, that's what I like to see. I like to see lots of streaks in the shirt where the dye has run. I came back after the ice on the top of the shirt had melted, and this is what it looked like. There was still quite a bit of undissolved dye left on the top of the shirt, so I added another layer of ice and let it melt. And this is what it looks like. I went ahead and let the shirt continue to process for 24 hours. Then I washed it and dried it, and this is what our shirt looks like. I really like this one. Do you see what I mean about the dye moving in the shirt? See all those streaks? That's from the dye running throughout the shirt. And I really like that look. Hey, if you guys are enjoying watching these videos, I sure would appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my YouTube channel. All you have to do is hit the big red subscribe button. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.